Want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom? Imagine having the right tools to create a secure and prosperous future. These four powerful assets aren't just for the wealthy. They are accessible, practical, and life-changing. Let me show you how to use them starting today. Welcome to the Rich Young and African YouTube channel. My mission is to empower you with real actionable strategies to take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. If you're serious about financial freedom, do me a quick favor. Like this video, it helps others to see this content. Subscribe for weekly wealth building strategies. Comment below which assets are you most excited to invest in. Now let's dive into the four assets that can help you achieve financial independence. Asset number one, investing in yourself. Your greatest asset isn't money, it's you. Investing in your skills, knowledge, and expertise can yield lifelong financial returns. How? Gain new skills, tech, leadership, or negotiation. Get certifications to boost your career. Read books that teach wealth building strategies. In my book, Rich, Young, and African, I break down how self-investment is the foundation of wealth. A growth mindset plus the right skills equals to unlimited earning potential. Start today. Set aside time and resources to invest in yourself. Asset number two, investing in ETFs. Want to build wealth with minimal effort? Exchange traded funds, ETFs, are a low-cost diversified way to invest in the stock market. Why ETFs? Lower risk than individual stocks, easy to invest in, so it's great for beginners, long-term wealth growth. In my book, I explain how young Africans can leverage ETFs to grow their money. Whether you are a new investor or a seasoned saver, ETFs help you build wealth the smart way. Pro tip: start small, stay consistent, and let your investment grow. Asset number three, investing in real estate. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class. Here are three ways to invest in real estate. Number one, rental properties. Earn passive income. Number two, flipping land or properties. Buy low, sell high. Number three, REITs. That's real estate investment trust. Invest without owning physical property. Best part, real estate is inflation proof, meaning your investment grows in value over time. If you're serious about long-term wealth, real estate is a must-have asset. Asset number four, investing in business. Starting or investing in a business is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Here are three ways to invest in business. Number one, start your own business. Sell a product or service. Number two, invest in someone else's startup. Own a share of a growing company. Number three, turn your side hustle into full-time income. Rich, Young, and African dives into how to navigate businesses in Nigeria. From side hustles to major investment. Owning a business puts you in control of your income and financial future. There you have it. Four powerful assets to help you build real wealth and achieve financial independence. Which assets are you investing in first? Drop a comment below. Want a deeper dive into these strategies? Grab a copy of Rich, Young, and African. Visit jpatuaye.com/book. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.